Hey gamers, welcome back. So do you want to link your EA account to Twitch and score awesome in-game rewards like Twitch drops? I've got official steps to hook it up fast, perfect for EA titles like FC25 or Apex. Let's get connected, guys. So firstly guys, let us talk about why link it. So linking your EA account to Twitch unlocks drops, so freebies like skins, bags or XP when you watch EA streams. It's a one-time setup, but heads up, your EA account can only link to one Twitch account forever. So pick wisely and let's roll. Right guys, so you need to go to ea.com and log into your EA account, the one tied to your games. Click your profile icon and then account settings. Scroll to the connections tab, find Twitch and hit link. You might need a security code, so check your email or Authenticator app. Next, it'll bounce you to Twitch, log in with your Twitch account or sign up if you are new. Hit authorize when prompted, then confirm by clicking link accounts. And done! Head to Twitch's settings, connections tab, and you'll see Electronic Arts listed under other connections. Linked and loaded. That's it guys, your EA account is now linked to Twitch. Now watch those drops enabled streams and claim your loot. Guys, enjoy the tutorial. If this helped you out, like and subscribe. See you next time.